Welcome to Sushmita's science class. Here, science will be made very interesting and easy.
The brain is the control center of the entire body. Its main job is to think. It receives messages from sense organs through nerves and processes the information, thinks of the reaction, and sends the message to various parts of the body in response. It may also be called the human computer. It is made up of millions of tiny nerve cells and nerve fibers. These nerve cells are called the neurons, which are the basic units of nervous system. See, this is a nerve cell or the neuron. Neurons, known as nerve cells, send and receive signals from brain. Specialized projections from axon. This is the axon. See, this is the axon, axon. Specialized projections from axons allow the neurons to transmit electrical and chemical signals to other cells. They also receive these signals in root like extensions known as dendrites. See, these are root like extensions and these are called the dendrites. At birth, the human brain consists of an estimated 100 billion neurons. Unlike other cells, neurons do not reproduce or regenerate. ये न्यूरॉन्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाए तो ये रीजनरेट भी नहीं करता है. दे आर नॉट रिप्लेस्ड वंस दे डाई. Cell body is known as soma. Cell body, this is the cell body, it is also known as soma, and it contains a nucleus. Axon is a long tail like structure which joins the cell body. This axon is insulated by myelin sheath, that is the fatty substance known as myelin. Myelin helps axon to conduct an electrical signal. Neurons have one main axon. This is the main axon. Dendrites are the fibrous roots. These are dendrites. These are the fibrous roots that branched out from the cell body. Like antenna, dendrites receive and process signals from the axons of the other neurons. These receive the signals. Like antennae, dendrites receive and process signals from the axons of the other neurons. दूसरे neurons के जो axon हैं उससे ये मैसेज लेते हैं और उसको सिग्नल्स लेते हैं और सिग्नल्स को प्रोसेस भी कर लेते हैं. Neurons can have more than one set of dendrites known as dendritic trees. These allow to receive thousands of signals. The sensory neurons help us taste, smell, hear, see, and feel things around us. The sensory neurons are triggered by physical and chemical inputs from our environment. The sound, touch, heat, and light are physical inputs. Smell and taste are the chemical inputs. Motor neurons play a role in movement, including voluntary and involuntary. These neurons allow the brain and the spinal cord to communicate with muscles. These neurons allow the brain and spinal cord to communicate with muscles, organs, and glands all over the body. There are two types of motor neurons. Lower motor neurons carry signals from spinal cord to the smooth muscles and skeletal muscles. Upper motor neurons carry signals between the brain and spinal cord. When we eat, lower motor neurons in our spinal cord send signals to the smooth muscles in esophagus, stomach and intestine. यानी जब हम खाना खाते हैं, लोअर मोटर न्यूरॉन्स जो हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में, वो सिग्नल्स भेजते हैं हमारे स्मूथ मसल्स को. स्मूथ मसल्स कौन से मसल्स होते हैं? हमने मसल सिस्टम में पढ़ा है. जो इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स होते हैं, हमारे इच्छा से काम नहीं करते हैं, वो इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स होते हैं. तो हम लोग खाना जब चबा लेते हैं और उसके बाद निगल लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसका काम, डाइजेशन का काम कौन करता है? इसोफिगस उसे स्टमक तक पहुंचाता है. स्टमक में डाइजेशन होता है और वो इंटेस्टाइन में चला जाता है. ये सब करने का ऑर्डर उसे न्यूरॉन्स देते हैं. लोअर मोटर न्यूरॉन्स जो हमारे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में हैं, वो ये सब एक्शंस करने के इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं. तभी हमारा इसोफिगस, स्टमक और इंटेस्टाइन काम करते हैं. दीज मसल्स कंट्रैक्ट विच अलाउ फूड टू मूव through our digestive tract. Nervous system cells are called neurons and they have three distinct parts: a cell body, axon, and dendrites. These help to send and receive chemical and electrical signals. These signals are transferred to various parts of the body. These cells can be classified into three basic groups: motor neuron, sensory neuron, and interneuron.
If you found the video useful, like, share and subscribe.